Well, I'm back to announce my second Diamond Art kit, and I'm really excited about this one. It's an octopus that just came out and it's available. What I want to do is first thank everyone that bought my chameleon. This was my debut kit, and it sold out, and I really want to thank you for purchasing it and supporting me. So it will be available again for reorder. You can go on their site and leave your email so they can let you know when it's back in stock. So what I'd like to do is I want to unbox the octopus and show you all the parts that are in it and walk through the kit, and we can have some fun seeing it together. And let's do it right now. Okay, so I just opened the box, and this is the canvas you're going to be working on. It's absolutely spectacular. The detail, again, that Diamond Art Club created from my octopus drawing is just spectacular. The color system is just so wonderful to look at, and I think working on it is going to be really easy and fun. What you get in the kit is the canvas, which again is 27 by 39 inches wide. So it's this really big, beautiful piece you're going to be working on. Then all the diamonds that are individually packed, and they're just, the colors are beautiful. I'm always amazed when I open these kits and see the quality of it and see the colors of the diamonds. It's just going to make such a beautiful piece in the end. You also get a picture that shows the final piece and the color system, and a toolkit that has all your parts that you need to work to create the kit. And there's this nice instruction booklet that tells you what's in the kit and gives you all these step-by-step instructions and tips and tricks of how to make it easy. A sticker to go on your box, and again, all the diamonds. So I think this is going to be such a fun project to make. If you love octopuses, or anyone you know does, I think this is going to be so much fun to create and have a lot of fun. It's going to be a really fun project to work on. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing what was inside the kit. I'm really excited about this kit. I think Diamond Art Club created this really beautiful piece from my octopus drawing, and I'm really honored that you'll be working on one of my pieces of artwork. If you get a chance and you'd like, I'd love to see progress pictures or finished pictures of your kit as you're making it. You can post them on my Facebook group or on Diamond Art Club's Facebook page, and just have a lot of fun creating the kit. And thanks so much again for watching. Take care.